Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome, my dear students, your mathematics teacher with a new lesson today. Our today's lesson is estimate products of fractions. This is in page number 715. So please open page number 715. In page number 715, we have to estimate first and then we have to find the product. Question number 2, we have 2 upon 3 multiplied by 13. By the curved line, I have shown you the estimate. 2 upon 3 we will write as it is, multiply 13 will change into 12 because if we read the table of 3 we get 12, we don't get 13. So 13 we will change it into 12. After that, again we will write 2 upon 3 multiplied by 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24 upon 3. When you will read the table of 3, you will get 3 8s are 24. So answer is 8. Next number is 3, that is 1 divided by 3 multiply 20. Now with the curved line we show you the estimation. 1 upon 3 multiplied by 21. 20 will change into 21. We will change by ourselves so that we can read the table of 3, we can get 21. Now 1 upon 3 multiplied by 21, you will get 21 divided by 3. If you read the table of 3, you will get 3 times 7 is 21. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. Our next question is number 4. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 33. Now we will estimate it. 1 upon 2 multiply 33 will change into 32. In the next step, we will write 1 upon 2 multiplied by 32. 32 multiplied by 1 is 32 divided by 2. When you divide 32 by 2, you will get 16. You will get 16. 32 upon 2 is 16. In number 5, we have 17 multiply 1 upon 4. Now we will estimate 17 will change into 16 multiply by 1 upon 4. 16 now 16 multiplied by 1 is 16, you know that, and the down is 4. If you read the table of 4, you will get 4 for the 16. Answer for number 5 is 4. In next number is 6. We have 7 upon 8 multiplied by 1 upon 8. Now we will estimate this 7 upon 8. If you estimate, we can change it 8 upon 8. And there is a lot of difference between 1 and 9. So it will be 0. We can estimate. How we can estimate? We can go 1 or 2 number more or 1 or 2 number less, not more than that. 8 divided, next step is 8 divided by 8 is 0. 8 divided by 8 is 1. Multiply by 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. 1 multiplied by 0 is 0. In number 7, we can see that 3 upon 8, 3 upon 5 multiply 8 upon 9. Now we will have to estimate both the numbers. 5 will change into 6 and 8 upon 9 will be changed into 8 upon 8. This is our estimation. This we can change by ourselves to make our solution easy. So both are 3 and 6 are both are in the table of 6. So if you divide both the number by 3, you will get 1 upon 2. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. Now you will multiply 1 upon 2 by 1. Any number multiplied by 1 is you get same answer. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 is 1 upon 2. After that we have question number 8. 1 upon 6 multiplied by 5 upon 7. So first number will estimate, it will become 0, and second number will estimate 5 upon 7, it will become 5 upon 5. So in the second line we will write 0 multiply 5 upon 5 is 5 divided by 5 is 1, and you know that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So answer number 8 is 0. We have number 9. 1 divided by 4 multiply 8 divided by 9. So we will change 1 upon 4 because there is a lot of difference. It will become 0. 8 divided by 9 will become 8 divided by 8, that is 1. In the next line, 0 multiplied by 1 is 0. And our last number is number 10. 2 whole number, 2 upon 3. It will become 3. Multiply 3, 1 upon 6. We will estimate it. It will become 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 9 is the answer of question number 10. My dear student, hope you understood the lesson regarding estimate products. We have some homework also for you. As a homework, you will do page number 717, that is estimate each product. First of all, you will estimate and then multiply. My dear students, these are the homework for you. Thank you very much. Take care.